Have you ever wondered, where were you before you were born? Not where your body was, but where you were. Your awareness, your soul, your essence. In a world obsessed with beginnings and endings, Islam offers a perspective that shakes the limits of modern thought. You were never truly nothing. Let's explore the Islamic view on pre-existence, the life before life, and the soul's journey through eternity. Long before your body was formed, long before your parents ever met, you existed. Not in this world, but in a realm known only to Allah. The Quran gives us a glimpse of this mysterious origin. And remember when your Lord took from the children of Adam, from their loins their descendants, and made them testify of themselves, "Am I not your Lord?" They said, "Yes, we testify." Surah Al-A'raf, Surah 7, verse 172. This moment is called Alastu. Am I not? It wasn't a metaphor. It was a real event, in a realm beyond time. A covenant was made between you and your Creator. This event is not a myth. It's the foundation of Islamic metaphysics. Your soul and your ruh was created long before your body. You were brought into a realm of souls, and there, you recognized your Lord, pure, untouched by sin, unclouded by ego, doubt, or desire. You said yes, not with a tongue, but with your essence. This means your soul knew Allah before it knew the world. You were not born into a void. You were born with a memory, buried deep within you. But when the soul enters the body, it forgets. Allah says, "He brings you forth from the wombs of your mothers while you know nothing." Surah An-Nahl, Surah 16, verse 78. Not because you were nothing, but because you came from a place beyond memory. The body forgets what the soul once knew, and life becomes a journey of rediscovery. This is why the Quran keeps reminding us, has there not come upon man a period of time when he was not a thing mentioned? Surah Al-Insan, Surah 76, verse 1. Allah is not saying you were nothing. He's saying, there was a time when you weren't known in this world, but you were always known to Him. You were a soul, a covenant holder, a witness. The world didn't know you, but the divine did. Look deeper, and you'll find the signs everywhere. In your heartbeat, your thoughts, your longing for meaning. In the stars and galaxies, the patterns of atoms, and the mystery of time. Islamic thought teaches, your soul holds echoes of a forgotten world. This dunya isn't your beginning, and it isn't your end. You are a traveler through realms, a being of both dust and divine breath. Every breath you take is a step closer, closer to remembering where you came from, closer to returning. Your soul yearns, not just for peace, but for reunion. You are more than a body, more than your struggles. You were designed to ascend, to evolve, to return to the one you once bore witness to. You were never just a body, never just a name. You were a soul known by your Lord long before time touched you. Your existence is not an accident. It is part of an eternal design. So reflect on who you truly are and who you've always belonged to. Subscribe and keep exploring the unseen truths of your soul. This is Divine Paradox.